So guys, this is the perfectly good garage that we're going to rip down. Why are we going to rip it down? I want to make it wider, deeper, taller, just better. See, the back of it slopes down. Hard to fit anything in there. There's no proper foundation underneath this garage. So we want to put a second floor master bedroom on it. And this will not support it currently. So we're going to rip this down. We're going to bring you guys along the way. Had a big composite deck out back here. We removed that. Hopefully we can reuse it somewhere else. If not here, somewhere. Composite handrails and all that stuff. So all of this will get removed, including this area right here. So mudroom over. Will all be brand new. We'll show you along the way the demo, the new foundation, the framing, picking out some of the finishes. But right now she's 100% usable. It's not exactly what I want. One thing that drives me crazy is when the siding comes all the way down to the ground. By code, you need 9 inches of foundation showing. We have 0. That's going to let water get to the wood, rotting out the wood, creating holes. What happens when you have holes in the siding? You get critters that find those holes. And those critters find their way into the house. So we're going to put a stop to that. Many reasons why we want to get this job done. One of them is critters. One of them is this garage is almost useless because the roof comes down. Third, we can't build above it because there's no foundation. And fourth, we plan on this being our forever house, so we want it to be wider. So it's going to come out to about right here. So we're adding about this much garage on. And then go with a big, big master suite above it. Stay tuned for more.